Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by maximizing the phone signal. Set your iPhone volume to 100% in Control Center and confirm the hardware buttons move to max. Then go to Settings, Music, and disable any volume limit so the system won't cap peak output. Once done, make sure low power mode is off because it can reduce audio processing. Also disable Do Not Disturb temporarily to prevent interruptions and ensure notifications won't mute the stream. This primes the device before adjusting Beat settings. You now focus on the headphones themselves. Pair Beat Studio 3 via Bluetooth and keep the phone within 3 to 6 feet for strong signal. Turn off active noise cancelling. Paradoxically, some ANC implementations reduce perceived loudness, so disabling it lets the amp deliver fuller volume. If your Beats app or iPhone offers EQ, choose a preset or create a custom EQ that lifts mids and highs around 3 to 6 decibels to increase perceived loudness without clipping. Once adjusted, you finish by selecting a high-volume source. Use a quality music app and stream at highest bitrate because compressed audio sounds quieter. If audio distorts or cuts, restart Bluetooth or forget and repair Beats to clear handshake issues. When persistent low volume happens, perform a factory reset on the headphones by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds, then repair. If nothing fixes it, intermittent hardware amp failure is likely. Contact support or consider warranty service as your final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.